If you want to update or personalize your profile photo on the RedNote app, this tutorial is for you. Here's how you can do it. First, open the RedNote app and tap the Me icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once on your profile, tap on the current profile picture or the placeholder image. A window with several options will appear. Select Upload New Avatar. RedNote will ask for access to your photos and videos. Allow access by tapping Access All. If you prefer, you can take a new photo using the in-app camera or select a desired photo from your phone's gallery. After selecting your photo, tap the Confirm button located in the bottom right corner. Move the cropping frame to choose the part of the photo you want to use, then proceed by tapping Next. If another window appears, press the red button to continue. Refresh the page, and your new profile photo will be updated. That's it. Thank you for following our tutorials. For more useful guides, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.